ready. Okay. Next stop. You buy the container and you may leave the wheelbarrow we produce too. After ready, the cement ready, then output by the wheelbarrow or the cement bucket as you want. 一定要看着前面那个路，不然你的脚步是不对的。
要不要刀？
要是不是？
慢慢，
中间的
稳住了。
慢一点，慢一点啊，就慢一点。
就慢一点，没了啊。
We put too much water. This material is for 50 kg cement and it's around 60 kg size and too much water. And you can put a stone as you want. 好了好了 ，OK OK OK， 小心一点啊 ，Be careful Be careful 啊。Make sure it's lock the well. Make sure you lock the well the well. Lock here 啊。So the well here. After you receive the concrete mixer before using, you should screw tightly this screw. Okay. Because some more material inside the cement and concrete mixer. Actually, after you using, you have to water and clean it properly and maintain the diesel engine to keep it in long using life. Okay. Okay, so our next two value boarding testing will be on September 8th. We will show you how we produce this concrete mixer and how we make inspection of the spare parts and the diesel engine, how we ensure its quality. So if you guys want more questions, send us on Alibaba or contact us by WeChat, WhatsApp, anything you want. Okay, see you guys.